In this video, I'll show you how to change the browser's URL using JavaScript without reloading the page. Sometimes, especially in single-page applications or interactive interfaces, you want to update the URL to reflect user actions, but you don't want to trigger a full-page reload. Fortunately, JavaScript gives us exactly what we need through the History API. Let's look at two methods, pushState and replaceState. Here, I've set up two buttons. When I click the first one, we call history.pushState, which changes the URL to include page equals 2. This adds a new entry to the browser history, so the back button will still work. When I click the second button, we use history.replaceState to update the URL to page equals 1. But this doesn't add a new history entry, it just replaces the current one. And if I use the browser back and forward buttons, we can see a message pop up, showing that the browser is detecting history state changes using the onpopstate event. This technique allows you to manage the URL, improve user experience, and keep your UI in sync with the state of your application, all without ever reloading the page. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on modern front-end techniques.